Hello guys, so welcome and welcome back to Python part 3 on Python basics. We are still on operators. So previously we talked about the comparison operators. So in this video we are going to talk about the logic operators. So if you have watched up to this far, I know you are enjoying the series. So please consider subscribing and like the videos, each and every video that you are watching. So on the logic operators, it's quite simple, just like the other operators. So we have the three logical operators that definitely you are going to use most of the times when you are working on a project, but they are quite simple. Something you already understand. So let's dive in and do some work to these operators. So the logical operators. You have the AND, which returns true if both statements are true. Returns true the all operator returns true if one of the statement is true. And we have the not operator which reverses the results. It always returns false if the result is true, returns true if the result is false. So let's define a variable age, and it's going to get the input from a user from the command line. So we are going to ask the user to enter the age, enter your age. So this you are going to convert it into an integer. So when you get the age value, you are going to compare that age to, let's compare it between 20 and 30. 20 and 30. 20 and 30. So we are going to compare if the value is between 20 and 30. So returns true if both statements are true. So we are going to get the age. If the age is between 20 and 30, so print, it's going to print true if age is greater than or equal to 20 and age is less than or equal to 30. So we are going to check if the age is between 20 and 30. If the age is 31, it's going to print false. If the age is 19, it's going to print false. If the age is 21, it's going to print true because it matches. It's in between the 20 and 30. So for true, we are going to get that age. Returns true if one of the statement is true. That means if the age is between is returns true if one of the statement is true. If one of these statement is true, age is greater than or equal to 20. If that's true, yeah, it's going to be. For example, here we say the age is 19. Is the age greater than or equal to 20? No. Is the age less than or equal to 30? True. So let's print that. So let's print that. I want you to understand it. So the other one is not. So here print not. Not reverses the result. So definitely what not does is supposed to be on. For not reverses it always returns false whenever the equation is true. For example, we can just work it on this and. If the answer here will be true, the answer here will be false. If the answer here is true, then here it's false. It always reverses the result. So for this one, let's see. So we are going to ask the user to enter the age. So let's take an example. For example, when a user enters the age as 21, what do you think the answer here will be? If the age is greater than or equal to 20, that's true for this because the age is 21, it's greater than or equal to 20. Let's go to the second statement. Age is less than or equal to 30. That's true because age is less than or equal to 30. It's less than. That's true. So the two statements are true. So here we are going to get true. Let's go to this one. Age is greater than or equal to 20. That's true because it's 21. 21 is greater than, it's greater than 21, than 20, sorry. The other one is age is less than or equal to 30. That's true. Age is less than or equal to 30. That's true. So it's going to return true. But we can change this. let's say this one statement to be false. Yeah, like that. Age is less than 20. Is 21 less than 20? No, that's false. Now, is this age less than or equal to 30? That's true because it's less than 30. That's true. So false and true, it's going to print true. Returns true if one of the statement is true. It doesn't matter because here we are going to, this is false, this is true. So the answer is true. So this automatically reverses the result for this one here. So let's do that. Let's run the program and see. Enter your age, 21. You see, that's what it does. Now I guess you understand. If you don't, try to change and do it for yourself so that you can understand it better. What I'm saying is the and for these two has to be true. This age is greater than or equal to 20. That's true. Age is greater than is less than or equal to 30. That's true. And when you're using this as a 21. For this one, age is less than 20, that's false. Age is less than or equal to 30, that's true. So one of the statement is true. If both of the statements are true, it's also going to be true. You understand? If both are true, it's also going to be true. So let's change and ensure both statements are true. So it's going to be true. Or the or operator just needs one to be true for it to be true. The only time the or operator is false is when the two statements are false. That's how it goes. For add, both statement has to be true for it to be true. The or, one of it has to be true for, one statement has to be true for it to return true. If both statements are false, then it's going to be false. So let's create a table for that. The or, let's do for or. So this is the or table. When the two statements are true, the answer is always true. When one of it is true, the answer is always true. The or operator returns false whenever the two statements returns false. That's when only the or operator returns false. For and, it always returns false if one of the statement is false. The two statements has to be true for and to return true. Okay. So and for not, it's always reverses the result. If the result is true, not can't exist on its own. It has to exist between the or on the and. If the result is true, of course the answer for not will always be for the false. If answer is false, the result for not will always be true. That's all for the logical operators in Python. Thank you.